I grew up, one of the most common words in my house was Sitzung, which is meeting, and my parents were always going to meetings and always taking us to events that were poignant and important for them, and including, I remember at my youngest years going to the Warsaw Ghetto commemorations every April 19th. So what was extremely etched in my mind, these meetings would take place at the Workmen Circle building on St. Lawrence. I think it was 4848 St. Lawrence Boulevard. There was a big logo of Arbitering on the floor of the building, so clearly it had been there for decades. And there were spittoons outside every door. It was I'll never forget the little spittoons, which I've never seen anywhere else in my entire life. It's the only place I saw spittoons. And the meetings were, what can I say, emotional beyond words, sobbing, people at the top of their voices sobbing, and speakers, and at one of them, my brother, who was a piano prodigy, played Chopin's Funeral March, and the other children of the survivors, the other Bundes children, were there, and this is how we grew up. These were the most important gatherings, community gatherings of my childhood.